Earlier today, I was in my kitchen, mind my own business. Since I used the community area and made some community posts, I blogged, I vlogged, video, made videos, video blogs, videos, vlogged. This new one. I was in my kitchen, mind my own business, and those other people next doors making noises in there to and about me. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to like my coffee. I'm going to have my coffee. I don't care about you. I spoke to the other person living with me, pets, fur babies, and I'm like, I don't want to know them. I want to have my coffee. I'm in my place, mind my own business, in my space. Why can't they leave me alone? Why are they on my internet stuff, like social medias? Why are they internet trolling me? Why do they get off that and or during and harass me in my place, space, at my front door? Earlier tried to get in here at the door, my door. Why?